In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo XC60 key fob. This is an easy process. You can do it yourself at home. The only thing you'll need is a regular flathead screwdriver, and you'll also need to pick up one of these CR2032 batteries. These are pretty inexpensive. You can find them online. If you're interested, you can go check out the first link down there in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Now, to open this thing up, we first want to look on the bottom, find this switch here on the keyring, and while holding that switch down, you just pull this top, this is called the Volvo side, just kind of push and pull to remove this section of plastic. And now you can set that to the side. Inside here, we have another switch, not this one that's on the metal right here. You're going to do the same thing, hold that down, and do the same motion, pushing and pulling to remove the back piece of plastic. And now that we are in here, you can see there's this tab, picture of a battery. What we want to do is take our flathead screwdriver, insert it in the middle, and turn until this arrow is aligned with open. Right now it's locked. So just go and gently push down and turn until it's on open. And now coming in on the side where you can see there's that little opening. It's a very small space. You can just fit the corner of your flathead screwdriver in there, and pushing down gently and prying, you can remove this back piece, this little round piece of plastic. Set that to the side. Now in here, we can find an opening on the side of the battery, and again, just pry with the corner of the screwdriver. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery, take your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up. And what you'll do is slide it down under this tab. You can see there's a plastic tab there. You first want to push that into place and then click in on the top. From here, we're going to take this plastic tab, make sure that this arrow, we're just going to put it into place so that that arrow lines up with open once again, and push it down. And all we need to do now is lock it. So twist until it is on the closed position. And now we can put everything back together. So take the back section of plastic, the one that doesn't have the Volvo logo on it. And if you're looking at this, you can see that there's this side that has these two tabs that are sticking up. The other side is just solid. So take the two tabs and line them up with the bottom, with the keyring part. It's going to go like this. I'm going to put it into place and just slide it down, and you'll hear it click, and it will be nice and secure. You can do the same thing with the other side. Tabs go on the bottom like that. And so once again, you're just going to push it into place. It'll click, it'll be nice and secure. And once you've done that and everything is locked up nicely, you are finished. You have a new battery inside that should last you for a long time, and you're good to go. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.